Hey folks, welcome to J. Malone Motors in beautiful Hutchinson, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport that we have that's pre-owned. Got it on a lease return, great car, 41,000 miles. Let's take a look, shall we? So one thing you get with the Sport is you get the souped up motor. You get the 3.5 EcoBoost with the twin turbo, gives you that extra little oomph that you're looking for. Also with some of the suspension, it's sport tuned, so it's a little stiffer, a little tighter ride, but it's nice. Very smooth. This is a higher level trim when you go to buy your Explorer, so fully loaded, and we'll show you some of that. Beautiful rims on it, great tires. So if you come in here, you're looking at leather seats. The steering wheel is power, so it'll go down and in or out with power. Got the center console, select shift for four-wheel drive modes. And let me run around to the other side real quick. As you can see, the all-weather floor mats, which is huge, especially in Minnesota. You gotta protect what you own. You got the full screen here, heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, park assist, 360 camera. It really has everything. Full navigation, home link, so you don't have the big junky garage door opener up there. You can program 3 different devices. If you got to put your cool guy or your cool girl shades away, they go right up here. And then of course you got the dual panoramic sunroof. Who doesn't love opening that up and letting the natural light and the wind blow through? So let's go back to the second row. As you can see, this has optional bucket seats, which is really nice. It gives you the access to free flow if you want to go into the back third row. And then also you can hit the button right here on the side, drops the headrest, and then the headrest is down in the back. What that does is that opens up your vision, helps you see a little bit better, especially if no one's sitting back here. And what's nice is you can hit this button, boom, goes down for you, automatic. Look at that, folds right up. You just pull here, and easy access to the third row. I'm kind of a bigger guy, 6 foot, we'll say a little over 200 pounds, and I can get in here no sweat. Comfortable. I mean, what more could you ask for? I'll go this way. So if we go to the back, this has power folding seats right over here on the side. You can fold them down, or you can hit stow, where they come down and fold in and give you a nice flat area here. Right now I'm not going to hit that because I got the original floor mats back here. So we would take those out, hit stow, and they fold in really nice. Gives you a lot of room, really opens up the back. And then right here, of course, power liftgate. I mean, this thing is full of amenities, it's full of style, it's full of speed and performance. It's really the total package in a third row SUV that you're looking for. Give me a call, shoot me an email, whatever works. Come and see us at 1165 Highway 7 West, Hutchinson, Minnesota, your dealer for life.